Boom shakalaka, insane charts. If you are not all in Bitcoin and crypto right now, you just might be crazy. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including if you are not all in right now, you might just be partially crazy. Before we get into things, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter through Crypto Love. Subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Now, today, Fear and Greed Index at 74, up just a little bit from yesterday, still in moderate greed. The overall market up 3% today. Bitcoin is 69,000. Hey, Bitcoin, $482. Ethereum at 33.93 and Solana at 191. You can read the rest for yourself. Now, Bitcoin, take a look at this. Not only are we potentially breaking out of this bull flag that Bitcoin has been in since March of this year. It's a long time, many months. But we also have a double inception head and shoulders. This is head and shoulders number 1. And if you stay tuned, I'll show you head and shoulders number 2 coming up. Now, inverse head and shoulders are pretty bullish price models for Bitcoin. They are quite predictive, and the price tends to go up from them. Now, after the most recent Bitcoin convention down in Tennessee, well, Bitcoin sentiment has changed drastically. Bitcoin's recent price rebound has shifted trader sentiment to levels not seen in 16 months. And that was driven by a 20% 3-week rally, or that's this one, 20% 3-week rally. I think a lot has to do with what's going on at the Bitcoin convention that just ended. But you can see Bitcoin sentiment has shifted drastically, not what we've seen since things started ticking up back there. And we see lots of narratives right now about how fiat is truly dead. This time it is the end. Like this right here. Your money is now losing close to 1% of its value every 30 days, according to the Labor Bureau, which would mean essentially that after after 3 months, I don't even know how to do that math in my head right now. But essentially, your money's going to be worthless. Well, you know it's not worthless? The hardest asset ever, known as Bitcoin. And the craziest chart right here, probably the craziest chart that I've seen in a long time, is that if we take a look at the number of UTXOs in loss, we see that we have a peak that just occurred right now. Now, this is the same type of peak in UTXOs at loss, similar that we see during cycle bottoms, right back here, September 2023. Also similar at the COVID Black Swan event. Could we be at the COVID type event? Remember, Bitcoin was $3,000 before it went up to $70,000. That's a 20 plus X. Could we be in for that coming up next? Boy, do I hope so. Things are about to get moving. 69,000 is a great number for Bitcoin, not only because it's 69,000, but there's also a lot of shorts that are about to get picked off should Bitcoin break through that $69,000 territory, which could send price up even higher much more quickly. We see it's time to send Bitcoin to new highs. Not only is Bitcoin above the EMA ribbon, but finding support above previous all-time highs. It looks very similar to 2012, 2016, and 2020 before the market was sent. Likely going up from here. Now, this is inverse head and shoulders number 2. You'll remember the one that I showed you before was right here, head or shoulder, head, shoulder. Well, we also have a shoulder, head, shoulder. This one, the target, $88,000. Breaking out of that bull flag, things could start to get pretty crazy for Bitcoin pretty fast. And not only for Bitcoin, if we take a look at the total market cap, you can see we had accumulation for many years. We had a breakout and retest of the neckline, and after that, it is all up territory. Well, we are just at that territory where things are about to go parabolic. Altcoins, when we take a look at this, the 2-week candles, the Gaussian has flipped green and retest finds support above there. Very similar to what happened just before the massive parabolic rally of 2020. And Golden Cross for the total market cap. Both times this happened previously signaled massive parabolic rally. We have the Golden Cross once again. The signal is here. We are likely at least based on this, about to have a very, very interesting year and a half for Bitcoin until the top in roughly winter 2025. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, come join us on Twitter, subscribe to the channel, and also YouTube thinks you'll enjoy that video right there. So go check it out. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.